family of circles, next topic. And what I have written here, it is the equation of family of circles passing through the intersection of circles is, what is the equation? P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0. Now I have made here two circles, one with black, that is circle P1, one is with blue, that I have written circle P2, and one in red passing through the intersection of two circles. Now basically what we are going to find, we are going to find exactly what P1 plus lambda P2 is when it is equal to 0. Now we are having the equation of family of circles passing through the intersection of circles is P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0. Now let P1 is identical to x square plus y square plus twice of g1x plus twice of f1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And P2 with x square plus y square plus twice of g2x plus twice of f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are what? These are the equation of the circles. Now consider the equation P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0 where lambda is a constant and lambda is not equal to negative of 1. Is the equation of any curve passing through the point of intersection of P1 is equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0 is given by x square plus y square plus twice of g1x plus twice of f1y plus c1, because this is P1, okay, plus lambda with x square plus y square plus twice of g2x plus twice of f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now once again what we have written, what we have done it, we have just shown it. If the equation of a family of circles passing through the intersection of circles is P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0, then what is P1? P1 is equation of this circle, P2 is equation of second circle. Now considering the equation P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0, what it gives? Lambda is a constant and lambda is not equal to negative of 1. Why it is not equal to negative of 1? I am going to tell you. Now lambda is not equal to negative of 1 is the equation of any curve passing through the point of intersection of first circle and second circle, that is P1 is equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0, and it is given by equation of one circle which is equal to 0 plus lambda equation of second circle which is equal to 0, by submitting both that are also equal to 0. Is it clear? So now let us try to prove it. Let now proving it. Now let x1 y1 be one of the point of intersection of the circles, let this be number 1 and now, and this be number 2, equation 1 and equation 2. Now let x1 y1 be the one of the point of the intersection of the circles 1 and 2. Say P1 is equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0. Now x1 comma y1 lies on circles 1 and 2. x1 y1, naturally when it is they are intersecting, then x1 y1 is a part of a circle or it lies on a circle. So we have just supposed that x1 y1 be one of the point of the intersection of the circles and x1 y1 lies on the circles, lies on number 1 on this circle also and on this circle also. Now x1 y1 lies on circle 1 and 2. Now the result of substituting x1 and y1 for x and y in equation 1 and equation 2 makes the expression P1 is equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0. Now if we are putting x1 and y1 for equation 1 and equation 2, then again the result for P1 and P2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, P1 plus lambda P2, now what this becomes? Now this becomes 1 plus lambda x square plus 1 plus lambda y square plus twice of g1 plus lambda g2 with x plus twice of f1 plus lambda f2 with y plus c1 plus lambda c2 is equal to 0. This we are getting, this is the equation of a circle. Now this is equation of a circle. Hence P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0 represents a family of circle. Now one thing which I left it, that was what will happen if we are just getting lambda is equal to negative of 1. We are not supposed to take lambda as negative of 1. If we are having lambda as negative of 1, then x square y square will be cancelled with negative of x square and negative of y square, because we have to put here negative of 1. When we are putting here negative of 1, then this x square and y square will be cancelled with this one and this one. Then what will be left? We will be left with a simple equation of single variable 1 degree. Okay, no, sorry, single variable with single variable, that is, sorry, with single degree, I am sorry. So it will be, when it is of first degree, then it will become an equation of a line. Then this whole thing will be wrong. If it is equal to -1, then is the equation of any curve, then it will not be any curve, it will be simple an equation of a straight line. So now this equation gives us P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0. This gives us an equation of a family of circles.